This video will cover how to install the Feit Electric Smart Wi-Fi floodlights. If installing the motion security floodlight, make sure it is 9 feet off the ground with the sensor parallel to it. Note, vertical installation is recommended for best performance, and some sealant may be required. If you are unable to identify your wires, please consult an electrician. Before beginning, be sure that your power is turned off, both at the breaker and at the switch. Start by removing the mounting nuts to detach the crossbar from the floodlight. If installing onto an external J-box, position the provided round plate and crossbar, align the holes, and secure to the J-box with the provided screws. If installing onto a flush J-box, simply attach the crossbar by aligning the holes and securing it with the provided screws. Pull the supply wires out of the J-box and attach the crossbar by aligning the holes and securing it with the provided screws. Next, attach the green or copper ground wire to the ground screw on the crossbar. Adjust the crossbar to best position and fit the fixture. Then, tighten both screws at the center swivel joint. Then, attach the fixture's black wire to the hot supply wire. And attach the fixture's white wire to the neutral supply wire. Now, carefully push all the wires into the J-box. Align the fixture mounting screws with the holes on your floodlight and push. Secure your floodlight by installing the rubber washers and hand tightening the mounting nuts. Adjust the floodlights side to side or up and down. Rotate the sensor or move it up and down. Finally, restore your power at the breaker. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Feit Electric Smart Wi-Fi floodlight.